We are pleased to show you the 2017 Equinox. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated outside mirrors, power mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, outside temperature gauge. Inside you'll find backup camera, heated seats, Sirius satellite radio, push-button start, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks, power windows, power driver's seat, auto express down window. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.